My name is Teresa Todd. I've invested in hundreds of properties since 2018. Since then, I have built a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio, and I am here to give you all my secrets.
Hello, gorgeous, and welcome back to the Women's Real Estate Investors Network YouTube channel. I'm Teresa Todd, real estate investor and founder of the Women's Real Estate Investors Network. Today, we have an exciting topic for all of you empty nesters out there who are looking to make some extra income while having fun along the way. So we're going to explore how you can invest in real estate and make the most of your empty rooms by becoming a short-term rental host. If you're new here, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you will not miss out on any of our future real estate investment tips. So, you are an empty nester and you've got a few empty rooms in your house that are just gathering dust, so why not turn them into a source of passive income? Short-term rentals. Maybe you've heard of Airbnb. Well, this will allow you to open up your home to travelers and tourists looking for a unique and authentic experience. Plus, it can be a lot of fun to meet new people from all walks of life. Now, before you dive into hosting a short-term rental, it's essential to prepare your space to ensure a positive guest experience. So first, you want to declutter and organize the rooms that you will be renting out. Make sure that they're clean and comfortable and have all the necessary amenities guests might need. Of course, fresh linens, towels, and toiletries. You may even want to consider some personal touches to make the space feel warm and inviting. This could include some local artwork, a small welcome basket with snacks, and you always want to provide a guidebook of nearby attractions and restaurants. Once your space is ready, well, it's time to create your short-term rental listing. A compelling listing is key to attracting potential guests. So you're going to want some high-quality photos that showcase the best features of your home, as well as a very detailed and honest description of your property, highlighting all of its unique selling points. And before welcoming your guests, it's very crucial to understand any legal and/or safety considerations of being a short-term rental host. So you always want to check with your local authorities to ensure you comply with any regulations or licensing requirements for short-term rentals in your specific area. It's also essential to have proper insurance coverage to protect yourself and your property in case of any unforeseen incidents. Now, most short-term rental host platforms do offer some host protection, but it is wise to discuss this with your insurance provider just so that you and they understand any specific needs. As an empty nester hosting guests in your home, you'll want to be very selective about who you welcome. Always screen your potentials by reading their reviews and profiles to ensure that they have positive experience with previous hosts. And remember that communication is key to a successful hosting experience. So be responsive to guest inquiries. Make sure that they have all the information they need before their arrival. Being friendly and approachable will leave a lasting impression on your guests, encouraging positive reviews and repeat bookings. Congratulations, your short-term rental listing is up and guests are starting to book. So now it's time to manage your new venture. You want to keep track of bookings and reservations to avoid double bookings. I also would consider investing in a smart lock system for added security and ease of the guest check-ins. As an empty nester, you have the flexibility to handle guest check-ins and provide personalized recommendations for local experiences. This personal touch can lead to raving reviews and higher occupancy rates. And the best part of being a short-term rental host as an empty nester is that you get to meet amazing people from all over the world while making some extra income. So embrace the journey, enjoy the cultural exchange, and create lasting memories with your guests. Remember, as with any investment, it's essential to plan for the long term and stay committed to providing a top-notch experience for your guests. Well, this wraps up our guide to real estate investing for empty nesters who are considering becoming short-term rental hosts. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you're excited to embark on this new adventure. If you have any questions or you want to share your experience as a short-term rental host, then feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more about how you can create financial freedom through investing in real estate, then join me for my upcoming MasterClass. The details are linked below this video. And as always, I'm Teresa Todd, encouraging you to dream big and be brave.